now I'm able to integrate the thermal wind, atmospheric river, and also the mid-latitude storms in one experiment. How cool is that, right?
I'm here with the district coach as well, and so we were talking about bringing these tanks and Legos and tables to the Earth Science Planning Day and showing them. And this simple thing can, execute multiple things within, your block period lab or whatnot. And I loved it, so they will too.
I just really enjoyed this aspect of play, give them time to see what happens and why did that happen and figure it out.
So, why don't I use this as an excuse to finally flip my classes? To where I record all of my lectures and then we do more stuff like this.
For me, is I teach intro-level courses that are very large, big classrooms, so 85 people. So how to make them all, it's a challenge for me to make them understand Coriolis without using equations. They are majority non-majors.
So your group has videos as well. I put them on the learning platform. I also found other simpler videos that explain Coriolis effect without equation.
Getting them to overcome fear and to get in the playful mindset is really challenging.
We also want to know when you use these in class, Attica, and I'm honestly just as happy when it doesn't work as when it does. We need to know that. We have no data, right? We've developed kind of some tools, but we're not yet able to have a large data set of how's it working, what was working, what wasn't working, and at what level.
We're not going to do this alone, and we want regional sub-workshops, but that's obviously not happening yet. But I feel like that's sort of an eventual goal. Planting the seeds so that you guys can go and do your own outreach.
Our sort of 10-year goal is to have DIYnamics or DIY Lab more broadly be this sort of umbrella thing that we all contribute to. Just anything that helps us communicate and teach climate science. This marks the end of our workshop for 2023. We hope to see you in the future.